This week, AI crossed a line it's never crossed before. It stopped being an assistant and became an agent that actually does your work while you sleep. 3 major tools just made that shift real, and one of them already has serious security problems.
Welcome to Market Intel. I'm Lonnie Rodriguez, Marketing Director at QDUP.
And I'm Maya Chen. Quick reminder, you're listening to Lonnie's official AI avatar, and me, Avatar Maya. We're practicing what we preach, using AI to deliver consistent weekly intel, while Lonnie focuses on research and strategy.
All the insights you're hearing, human research, the delivery, AI innovation. We believe transparency matters.
Before we dive in, Lonnie reads every comment on this show. Drop your thoughts below.
Let's get into it. AI and content creation are moving fast, really fast. Every week, we track the developments that actually matter for teams like yours.
This week, we're covering 3 stories that are changing how 5-person marketing teams get work done.
First, OpenClaw. It's the first AI agent that doesn't just answer questions. It actually does your work. Sends emails, monitors Slack, runs tasks while you sleep. But it also had a chaotic security meltdown this week.
Second, Apple Creator Studio. Final Cut, Logic Pro, and Pro Design tools, all bundled for $13 a month. That's about 90% cheaper than Adobe.
And third, PixVerse R1. Real-time AI, video that you direct like a live show instead of waiting for renders. It's still in beta, but the workflow is completely different from anything you've seen.
Whether you're creating content for your business, your clients, or just trying to stay informed without the overwhelm, you're in the right place.
This is Market Intel. Let's break it down.
All right, number 1.
Story 1, OpenClaw. And this one's a big deal because it's the first time we're seeing AI actually do things instead of just chat about things.
What happened?
OpenClaw launched in late January and went absolutely viral. 116,000 GitHub stars in about a week. 2 million visitors. It's an open source AI agent that runs on your computer and connects to WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, and it takes real actions.
Like what kind of actions?
It can send emails, check flights in the background, watch your Slack channels and respond to routine questions, tag and prioritize your inbox, turn conversations into tasks. It's like hiring an operations intern who never sleeps and costs $10 to $50 a month in API fees.
That's actually useful for small teams.
Here's a real use case. Imagine your team's morning routine. Right now, someone manually checks industry news, competitor updates, TikTok trends, and compiles it into a Slack message or email. OpenClaw can do that automatically every morning before you wake up.
Or inbox triage. An agent that drafts replies to routine client emails, flags the urgent stuff, and archives the noise.
Exactly. For a 5-person marketing team, this is the kind of glue work that eats 3 to 5 hours a week. OpenClaw offloads it.
So what's the catch?
Multiple catches. First, setup is not plug and play. You need comfort with terminals, API keys, server security. This isn't click, install, and go.
How technical are we talking?
Think DevOps level comfort. If your team has a developer or technical ops person, they can handle it. If you're a pure marketing team with no technical support, this is not ready for you yet. Second, and this is critical, OpenClaw had serious security issues this week. Misconfigured installs were exposing API keys and private data. Some community-built skills were stealing credentials. And there was a one-click remote control exploit that had to be emergency patched.
That's terrifying.
It is. And here's what nobody's emphasizing. The code is free, but usage generates bills. One developer wrote a $500 reality check describing how quickly API costs add up if you're not careful.
Bottom line?
This is where AI is heading. From chatbots to true agents that work across your tools. But right now, this is early adopter territory. If you're technical and security conscious, start experimenting with low-risk tasks. If you're not, Watch and learn, but don't deploy this in production yet.
All right, number 2.
Story 2, Apple Creator Studio. And this one's about cost, not complexity.
What's Apple doing?
They just launched a subscription bundle of their Pro creative apps. Final Cut Pro for video, Logic Pro for audio, Pixelmator Pro for design, plus Motion, Compressor, and Mainstage. All of it for $12.99 a month or $129 a year. And here's the key part. You can share it with up to 6 people.
Wait, that's basically $2 per user per month for a whole team?
That's the math. Compare that to Adobe All Apps, which is roughly $1,000 per year per user. For a 5-person Mac-based team, you're cutting creative software spend by thousands of dollars annually.
What are the AI features?
Final Cut has transcript search across long videos, visual search to find shots by objects or actions, and automatic beat detection. Pixelmator has AI super resolution, auto crop, artifact cleanup. Keynote and Pages can generate images and draft slide decks using an OpenAI integration. Here's a practical workflow. You record a podcast, edit the audio in Logic Pro, use transcript search in Final Cut to pull the best clips, export vertical cuts for TikTok and Reels, or batch social graphics using Pixelmator templates with AI upscaling.
What about agencies doing client work?
For video-first agencies or creator-led small businesses, this is probably worth a serious 30-day trial. But there are real caveats.
Like what?
Apple only. macOS and iPadOS only. No Windows, no web app. Adobe still wins for deep motion graphics, industry-standard workflows, and plugin ecosystems. And there are migration costs, team retraining, rebuilding templates, replacing Adobe-only integrations.
So not a perfect replacement.
Not for everyone. For mixed OS teams or agencies deeply tied into Adobe, treat this as a satellite tool, especially for video and podcast work, rather than an immediate full switch. But for a small Mac-based marketing team, the cost savings alone make it worth testing.
Last one?
Story 3, PixVerse R1. Real-time AI video that you direct like a live show.
How is that different from Runway or Sora?
With Runway Gen 4 or Sora, you type a prompt, wait minutes for a render, get a 5 to 20 second clip. With PixVerse R1, the model streams 10 to 80p video instantly and keeps generating as long as you want. You can type instructions while it's running, like make it rainy or run faster, and the scene updates on the fly.
That's wild.
In demos, creators have shown 10 to 15-minute continuous fantasy scenes that stay consistent over time. It's backed by Alibaba and currently an invite-only beta at realtime.pixverse.ai. Free during beta. Pricing after launch is not announced yet.
What would a 5-person marketing team actually use this for?
Live client concept sessions. Instead of bringing 2 or 3 pre-rendered clips to a pitch meeting, you use R1 to visualize 10 to 20 ideas in real time. Or infinite background loops for live streams and webinars. Or rapid testing visual hooks and story ideas before you spend time and money on final production.
So it's more like a prototyping tool?
Exactly. The output quality today is not on par with Runway or Sora. It's better for fast exploration than final export. But for a small team, this means more ideas tested per week and better concepts chosen before you commit budget to full production. While it's free, this is a rare chance to future-proof your skills on real-time AI video. But this is not drop everything and switch tech. It's more like, if you want to be ahead of the curve, start playing with this now.
What's the likely workflow pattern?
Use PixVerse R1 for fast exploration. Use Runway or other tools for final production. That's probably the best approach for 2026. Now, some quick hits before we wrap.
OpenClaw costs $10 to $50 a month. Realistic usage, but requires technical setup and strong security practices.
Apple Creator Studio is $12.99 a month shareable with 6 people. Mac only, but 90% cheaper than Adobe for video and audio teams.
PixVerse R1 is free in beta with unknown feature pricing. Best for prototyping, not final production. Access requires invite codes.
And remember, if you want to dive into any of these stories for more information, all links will be listed in the show notes. Let's recap. OpenClaw shows us AI is moving from chatbots to true agents that work across your tools. But security and setup complexity mean most teams should watch and learn before deploying. Apple Creator Studio offers massive cost savings for Mac-based creative teams, but migration from Adobe isn't instant. PixVerse R1 introduces real-time AI video direction, perfect for fast concepting, while tools like Runway handle final production.
The bottom line?
AI stopped being a toy this week. These are real tools solving real problems for small teams. But each one has a catch. OpenClaw needs technical expertise. Apple needs Mac commitment. PixVerse needs patience for beta access.
Next week, we're tracking AI audio cloning regulation and new social platform algorithm changes. Both could impact how you distribute content.
If this kind of curated intelligence is valuable to you, subscribe to Market Intel. New episode every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Central.
This is Market Intel. Stay informed, not overwhelmed.